Hello, YouTube. It's BTM here. Welcome you guys back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. And I'm testing the Twitter again to see if the Twitter's working. And looks like it's working so far. So let me know if you can hear me and if there's any problem with the volume. And don't forget to sign up for the Patreon and the Discord channel. Looks like there's more activity on the Discord channel. And we wanted to see how you guys are doing and see if the looks like it is working on Instagram. So thanks for joining the channel. And thanks for supporting Black Tiger Miner YouTube, Twitter, YouTube, Twitter, and now Instagram. Shout out to Seba bought more Caspa again. So shout out to C-Dub. And let's see how's it going. So let's get to the news you can use. So I'm trying to do like a nightly thing where we kind of recap what happened the day in Caspa. So I'm just making sure we have more up-to-date information. So this is, let's see, we'll start with Twitter. Don't forget to sign up for the Black Tiger Miner Twitter page. So this is, why is it we buy the dip when it comes to Caspa? This is why we buy the dip when it comes to Caspa. And I like this picture, pretty cool picture. So don't be surprised if you see this picture soon on the BTM Twitter feed or on one of the videos. So moving forward, this is Caspador. The crowdfunding for Caspa CMF hit 52.5 of the gold in the last 7 days since the launch of the initiative. Daily reminder to donate. And this is Kaspa Live, the crowdfunding, I think. So I'll give this a minute to come up. And yes, this is Caspa's price at 17 cent, rank 47, market cap 2.5 billion, percent change in the last hour, down 0.85%, trading volume 43.2 million. Caspa Community Marketing Fund. Read the proposal on the Discord. Object top up the CMF for the following 3 to 5 months. Brief summary. It's been almost 5 months since we last called the community. Start date April 23rd, end day May 24th. Hours left 551.4. Gold is 91,000 Caspa. So far collected 48,000 Caspa. So yeah, it's going. Progress 53.8%. And this is the donate address. And I guess it shows you how much people have donated. And this is Roz. Caspa support at 10, very, very strong. Yesterday, Bitcoin dumped Caspa strong. And you're right, Caspa did hang in there yesterday. So that's a good thing because I was kind of concerned that it would break the support. And we'll look at the trade view real quick. Trading view has us at, what is this? We'll wait for that to come up. So trading view is here. This is the support at 10 cents. Is this 10 cents? Yeah, right at 10 cents. And looked like we got close and then came back up and looked like it pumped a little bit. And now we have a red candle. So we're still holding strong at that 10.8 cents. And that will be the low at that 10 cent. So long as we can stay above 10 cents, looks like we had some volume drop. RSI is flat. And this is the 4-hour chart. We'll look at the 2-hour chart. And this is that 10-cent mark. Is that 10? Yeah, right at 10 cents. And this is the next level down to that 9.6 cents. And people are always saying buy the dip. So if it does go down, I'm definitely going to buy some more. But currently we're holding strong. So remember, Caspa's the Army, better yet the Navy. Shout out to the Air Force. And if Elon Musk ever get it together, the Space Force, Caspa's going to the moon, baby. So Caspa's still pushing pretty hard. And let me see here. Remember, dance with who brought you to the party. Don't forget that. I actually didn't see the FOMC meeting today. Did they raise the interest rate? It's kind of busy, kind of tied up. I actually missed that, but we'll go back to Twitter. Hey, Cast fam, we have a new book for our Cast library. Caspa from Ghost to Night of the Heel of Blockchain's Plight by Mickey Myler. While waiting for the physical version of the book on Amazon, you can read online here. So I guess this is a link for the next version of the Caspa story from Ghost to Night off the heel of the blockchain plight. For years between 2010 and 2013, we're not an era of academic development for Bitcoin, with the notable exception of being on Bitcoin and Red Balloon Papers 2016. So they didn't raise. No, okay, cool. So that's a good sign with the FOMC meeting. And nothing changed, so we're good there. And I guess this is talking about more of Ghost and Dag Knight. The story would never be possible without proof of work, where users' distributed network are limited only by their internet speed. This is a story of proof of work, and a block DAG Palema of Caspa and of Dr. Jonathan Spaninsky. This is a book about a man who might not be very universally known celebrity in the field, but has redefined what is possible in the POW Palema once and for all, and still has a lot of steam to keep rolling. What's up, Texas crypto? So not much news at the FOMC meeting. When Caspa domains. I'm not sure your question there. Our CAF. Caspa miners will be experiencing some nice additional income from the KRC20 token development and minting enjoy. Though, what will make the miners' day after the last coin is minted? Question is answered, I guess. And that was definitely the wrong button. I think we're looking for this one.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. Because
how will inscriptions and KRS20 tokens impact Caspa miners' revenue? Participate in securing the network. Casplex is a non-profit project. We do not charge any fees. Users need to pay additional gas fees for token deployment or minting, which can reduce unnecessary data and increase miners' income. We do not charge any fees. Users need to pay additional gas fees for tokening. So I suspect that they will have you minting different tokens, maybe, or using Casplex to create NFTs. Something exciting is happening. Last month, we introduction of Casplex, where there were questions raised by the community. A channel opened up to collect a list. The Casplex team has answered. Many of the rest will be addressed in the upcoming white paper. And this is, I guess, the link for Casplex question answers. So that's on the Black Tiger Miner Twitter page, so I'm not going to go into that link. Kind of pressed for time tonight, so I'm kind of pushing through. Caspa Rust update. The Rusty Cast node feature complete for stable release. The final review is underway, and this is the GitHub link. Caspa on Rust updates 1.5.24. Node stable release is feature complete. Final review and sanity checks are ongoing. So this is Wednesday's top tweeted, and we have Casp at number 1, Vilo number 2, BRN. Not sure what that is. G HX Rilo Profs NK NAKA and A Torn UPO and UBFX. So that's the list of tweeted in the last 24 hours. And this is Uphold Institutional Investors. Please join Uphold Institutions for the next Token Discovery Series webinar. Caspa founder hashtag to join Michael Hasenbeck to discuss Block DAG. The future of Caspa is a function of the Ethereum rollup and coming smart contracts. So this is Hasselbeck and Jonathan Spaminsky. So shout out to both of those guys on the dev team. This is Michael Sutton. Some must believe that extremely high block rates enabled by Caspa can be a game changer in the DeFi world. Michael Sutton. Also at 1 BPS, we see parallel blocks, meaning propaganda time is frequently above 1 second on CAS mainnet. So I'm not sure in what realm of our discussion is in. Anyway, I mentioned a few reasons in the thread, but here's a longer list I compiled. Benefits of extremely high BPS 10 and beyond, some of which are smart contract related. Go ahead and hit that like button. Increase transaction throughput, increasing the block size, also increasing block size concurrently. Minimizing time initial transaction inclusion, 0 confirm time. Guess that's confirmed time. One can agree that this aspect would not benefit from ongoing below 100 millisecond block time, reduced variance for miners reward, setting the ground for MEV resistant strategies, minimizing oracle latency, and large service providers can have small fraction of the hash rate and still provide quality service to customers. And this is the Kaspa Army. So remember, guys, be patient, accumulate, hold, and stop looking at the charts. Long-term focus. Have a great day, and don't forget to take time to enjoy your coffee. And of course, this is the Kaspa on what looks to be a radio. So I don't know how the radio is heating up the coffee there, but I like the picture. So we'll click on that to get a little closer picture. And of course, the Book of Caspa. Looks like it was a handwritten copy. I don't like the copy, the hardback copy I got. And this is also Caspa Army. Tell everyone who stays with me, press heart. And I'm not selling. I'm going to hold and keep holding. Let's go. Caspa, Caspa, Caspa. Remember, dance with who brought you to the party. Don't forget that. So this is Imperum. And I think this is an actual video.
And orders them
Start
in
this guy
consensus.
back over.
Introduced in 2021 after
mission.
10 years of research.
So people are creating these educational videos on the Discord, and he's posting them. So let's try this video. Video like this are great tools to show the world what Caspa is. And let's play this real quick.
Introduced in 2021 after 10 years of research, Caspa is the next generation cryptocurrency that's set to redefine blockchain landscape. Caspa utilizes a revolutionary structure called block DAG, a directed acyclic graph, which implements the GhostDAG protocol. GhostDAG does not orphan blocks created in parallel, but rather allows them to coexist and orders them in consensus. This allows for secure operations while maintaining very high block rates. It is currently 1 block per second, aiming for 10 blocks per second, with visions of 100 blocks per second. Bitcoin started as a peer-to-peer currency. However, its blockchain faces limitations in scalability due to its linear structure. In addition to that, Bitcoin transactions sometimes come with hefty fees and longer confirmation times. Unlike Bitcoin's sequential confirmation process, Caspa's parallel processing enhances speed, reduces fees with no trade-offs as the network stays decentralized and secure, solving the trilemma. Caspa is a technological leap forward with its innovative block DAG structure. It outshines traditional blockchains, offering improved scalability, reduced fees, and faster transactions. With its commitment to proof of work, Caspa ensures decentralization without compromise.
So I actually like this one compared to the rest of them. And there's a few on here. I'm going to call you K5 because I can't remember what you said your name was, but I'm right with you trying to accumulate 100,000 CASP for the pump. I got the miners running. I'm DCA in. I think we're definitely going to make it. I'm around 75,000. So I'm pretty sure we're going to get there. But I think I was at 85,000 earlier, but I sold 20,000 to buy more miners, but I wish I would have kept it now. But with the price going down, it's coming down for us to pick it up. So let me know if you guys can hear me and if the volume's okay. So moving forward, through Bitcoin falls below 57,000, Caspa's holding strong. So let's see here. We'll look at I think we saw this already. And this is the only thing I'm stuck on. We're still at 20% with the migration. So I don't know if the migration stopped with the new release or if they're going to push through and just update everything at once. I think that the test was okay. Yeah, Texas Crypto, I turned the volume on the mic down. Somebody mentioned the mic volume was too loud. So I'm just trying to protect your ears. So let me know if that worked out well for you guys. And let's check the hash rate here. Hash rate is dipping down a little bit to 223 petahash. So going forward, this is the Caspa FYI. Current hash rate is 233.9 petahash. Percent mine is 81.92%. TPS is 2.0. BPS is 1. Caspa is actually up 1.6%. Market cap is 2.6 billion. Next reduction is 3 days, and I swear these reductions are coming faster and faster. I can't even keep up anymore. Caspa is currently at 110. Oh, 110 will be the next reduction. Yeah, things are going crazy. Just trying to keep up. This is the crypto bubbles. Looks like SegMoon's up 23.1. Solana's up 1.4. Pepe's up 1.3. Brett's down 8.4. Dion's down 7.4. Ondo is up 1.6. IA Tech is 14.5. I might look into that again. FTT is up 12.7. Archblock is up 8.4. Dog with a hat is up 3.9. ZK Swap is up 8%. And a Lithium AI is up 3.9. So I might need to check back with this guy as well. Just looking at Ursula from some mining I'm doing on the side. Looks like it's up 28.9% on the day, down 2% in the last hour, 157% in the last 7 days. And let's see here. This is the Coin market cap, which must not be updated yet. I think it's trying to update. Well, let's see here. Bum bum bum. So yeah, I don't know what's going on. It's not low. There we go. So it's at 10.7. This can't be right. I guess it is right. 10.7. So we are holding this resistance line at 10 pretty well. Looks like it came up to 11 cents today and came back down. Market cap's 2.5 billion. 24-hour trading volume 53.2 million. Low is 10.6, high is 11.4, all-time high is 18.9. Mellow fellow crypto, I actually been mining Ursula. I was looking to do that Iron Fish in Pyron, but I don't know, right? And I don't like to keep switching back and forth. I want to somebody mentioned, or like somebody said, they said to at least get 10,000 Ursula. So I don't know who they is. I just kind of threw that out there. But I might look into switching over to Ironfish and Pyron. I think that was one of the matching pairs, but that's a good question actually. This is Crypto Pump, and he's talking about Cas. Let's see what he's talking about.
All you have to go on is the three previous cycles that Bitcoin has done, the three previous bull runs. So I've looked at this before, and there's a few things you notice. Like I just thought I'd share it. I might calm a few people down because they're probably thinking about selling their coins at the moment. But you just need to hold on to it. It's just a thing to shake you out so that the sharks and the whales, the rich people can buy the coins at a cheaper price. And stuff like the exchange is getting flooded with Bitcoin to make it look like there's a lot more Bitcoin available than there is when it's really very rare, which drops the price. Little things like that, and then you have the problems in the Middle East, and the interest rates haven't gone down yet in America. Like all these kind of things add to it, but it has happened before. This is
Okay, let's go to let me see, where is this guy at? Which one was it? Yeah, let's try Bitcoin hoodie here.
Hoodie guy back with another Caspa video. Before we get into it, could you please Mike Tyson the like and subscribe button? We got up to what, 18 and a half, 19 cents. Well, obviously there's been a lot of blood in the market lately. You can see.
So shout out to LB Crypto. I tried to get some new videos for you so we don't look at stuff from yesterday. So let me know what you think. And
Got down to about a little over
Mellow Fellow, yeah, dual mining Ironfish and Pyron is what I saw on what is that?
10 cents, working its way back up over 11 cents. Market in general is going back up. Bitcoin got down to the 56,000s. Rust migration still there about 20%, but over on Twitter, Caspa official page said the Rusty Caspa node is feature complete for stable release. Here, node stable release is feature complete, check. So I guess they must. So it's kind of, we've been halted there at 20% for a while, and so they're verifying that the node's stable, and so it looks like it's getting close before they really rolls it out to the rest of the nodes. So it'll be interesting to see how long it takes before the rest of the miners can go on to the Rust. So I don't know exactly. 20 cents. Obviously, the market's moving back up. Or Fed Chair Powell says an unexpected weakening in the labor market could warrant a rate cut. right now, I'm not sure when the next rate cut will go. Everyone is worried. And inflation doesn't seem to really be going down. When the market goes down, hey, crypto bros, we are hiring. So that's always funny. But 20 cents, I don't know. It just depends if the market gets ripping and roaring. If Bitcoin starts chugging along.
The feature complete means they did an update, I think, and they're saying that that update's complete, and now they're going to complete testing for the rest of the Rust upgrade before they roll it all the way out.
I don't know if the Bitcoin ETFs in Hong Kong will really start filtering it in, but probably wasn't a bad thing that the market went down and kind of got to neutral. We were getting overheated. And so
And this is what we're talking about. This is mining. This is Pyron and Ironfish. And I got a 4070 Pyron, roughly about 24 cents, 72 in revenue. And I got a 65, 60, what is that? 69? Yeah, 69. So this is Pyron and Ironfish. So yeah, I might have to go ahead and look at that to see. This is look how strong Caspa is, wouldn't break 10 while other coins keep going down. Super bullish sentiment. Yes, you're right, because we did still hang in above the 10-cent
overall, good
mark.
buying opportunity. Let me know if you bought the dip. And yeah, 20 cents. I think, we're could get back up there quicker than you think, but it's really hard to give a time frame. But I could see maybe sometime in the next couple months getting back to 20 cents, getting up to 20 cents.
20 cents would be nice. So I'm definitely not mad at that. Let's see. Trying to figure out which one because I don't got a lot of time left. Let's see what Crypto Dinks is talking about.
So Rust on 5/1/24 has released this update, and now we're talking as Travlad Crypto has said himself. This is the GitHub page. Unfortunately, I don't know how to read it, but it says Caspa full node and related libraries in the Rust programming language. This is a beta version at the final testing phases, and you can see they've already got 101 forks off of this. Very interesting. Now, another thing is Jonathan is going to be speaking on behalf of Caspa with the Uphold Institution and Dr. Martin Heisbeck. In this exclusive webinar, we talked to the brilliant mind behind BlockDAG, Dr. Sampolinsky, about his vision for the future of Caspa, its potential function as an Ethereum rollup, and the coming of smart contracts. I've already registered. I don't know how many the registrations are. It's free. It's on May 9th, 12 p.m. Eastern Time, 5 p.m. UTC, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Levels as we are increasing over time.
Yeah, shout out to Danks. Danks was helping me set up the Discord. So yeah, Danks is good. And the whole thing with CG, so we see who kind of came out ahead there. And it wasn't CG. But take it for what you want. Just here to help you guys. I'm not trying to start a feud or continue the feud. Things just seem to be settling down. So let's keep pushing. Let's see here. Let's see if there's any other.
Of Caspa and start building smart contracts. All right. So right now, the average per accepting block, this shows here all of personally. I don't know how to read all the graphs and stuff. I'm sure if I took some time to go through it, I'd be able to. Exchange holdings, it shows all of that right here as well. Looks like around 2.8 billion or so. Then there's these active addresses. Check out this site. I mean, it shows everything. It's caspalytics.com. I'll put in the link down below. We can look at the Caspa chart. We are currently in the Fibonacci buy zone between the 0.5 and the 0.618. I drew this up a long time ago. It feels like at least probably 3 weeks ago, if not a month ago. Maybe it was around here. I was looking for where we're going to pull back to. We are in that buy zone and we could go down further. The market is treacherous right now. So this is a quick Caspa update. Stay safe out there. Let's cover the market cap really quickly and then we'll be on our way. We'll go to CoinGecko.
So shout out to Danks, and let's see here. I guess we'll give this Walking Dead a quick look.
Is about to finally find a bottom here. You can see it's been almost the same amount of time back here when we made that high. We came down and sideways for 77 days, and then we had that nice move up to the new high there. Now here, we've been here for 69 days, and we are sitting right on our green support line at 108. That 108 green line here is going from this wick low to the high. That is your 786 retracement here. So I think it's the last time or the last chance to get in on Caspa before this thing starts to go back up. You can notice also on the chart that if we go any lower than this, then it's going to end up breaking the very bullish market structure here of the higher highs and higher lows here. So I think it cannot go below that 108 level. If it does, and it ends up coming back down to the 382 here at 96 to these lows here, that's going to put on the table the chance to break this low here, which would break the overall market structure here, which even if it comes down here, I think that's going to be all she wrote. So this is a must hold price for Caspa here. And I think it is going to hold. I think this is, like I've already said, the last chance to get it at this price.
Yeah, that's my concern too, if it's going to hold, and looks like it is holding. So just continue to hold, like, share, and subscribe.
Because we're about to go back up. Another reason I say that is along with the 786 support area, the market structure, the time that has gone by, is the stock RSI down here. Every time the stock RSI, which it's about to do, it's about to tag zero here. Every time it tags zero, we get a reversal and we get a nice little bounce. Sometimes it's a huge bounce, but the fact that we're at this market structure where we can't go really any lower and it's about to hit zero once again here on Caspa, I think that tells us that Caspa is about to start moving back to the upside here. So that may even indicate that the whole market's about to turn back around and be bullish. But Bitcoin dipped down big time today. Let me check, where did it hit? It was down at 57K earlier. It's back up over 58. So the Caspa chart here is telling me that this is it. There's nowhere else to go but up. So as long as we hold on to that 108 level here at this green support line at that 786, look for a bounce up to 12.4. That is a 15 to 16% move. And then once we get over that 236, get that momentum going back up, we'll start focusing on some different price targets here. So with that being said, not financial advice.
So definitely not financial advice, but it looks as if the bounce is coming. So keep that in mind, and let me know what you guys think about that as well. I'm going to play this video, and this
Caspa
is the
price
last
prediction.
one.
Based on what we know now about the Caspa price, it will go up by 213.49% and hit 39 cents by the end of 2026. The worry and greed index is at 21.99, which means there is a lot of worry. All technical indicators show that the current mood is bearish. Based on what we know about Caspa, selling it now would be a bad idea. On April 30, 2024, most technical analysis indicators showed bullish signs. Other indicators showed bearish signals, which showed that most people who predicted the price of Caspa thought it would go down. Find out how much Caspa will be worth in the months and years to come by looking at the exact price estimate below. Caspa has gone down by minus 19.02% in the last 30 days. Because of this, we can expect a small improvement in the next month. The worth of Caspa rose by 116.22% by the end of April and was close to 23 cents. At the moment, all the signs point to a bearish zone, and the fear and greed index shows that there are 21.99 extreme fears. Our prediction says that now is not the right time to sell Caspa. Caspa is trading below the 200-day simple moving average right now. Since December 31, 2024, 326 days ago, SMA has shown a Caspa selling signal. Caspa's price is below its 50-day simple moving average, SMA, which is a sign that it's time to sell. All technical signs show that the 200-day SMA will drop soon. By the end of December, the price will reach 12 cents. The short-term 50-day SMA for Caspa shows a 13 cents by December 2024-2025. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a common way to tell if a coin is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. RSI is at RSI value right now. This means that the KAS market is not going up or down. The price of Caspa fell below $0.0935 for the first time since January 2021 in the first week of January 2024. It hit 13 cents. Some investors and market experts say that Caspa will be worth more than 24 cents by the end of the year.
So I'm definitely thinking it's going to be higher than 24 cents by the end of the year. Hopefully by the end of July or August, it should be around 50 cents. But I was making this video short. Mainly just wanted to check the sound and check the Twitter, and they're both working. So we'll come back with the full video tomorrow. But got to go run pick the kids up. So thanks for supporting the channel. Thanks for hanging in there with BTM. And thanks for joining today. And we'll be back tomorrow night at 7:30. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And Caspa's the Army, better yet the Navy. Shout out to the Air Force. And if Elon Musk ever get it together, the Space Force, Caspa's going to the moon, baby. And thanks for joining. And remember, dance with who brought you to the party. Don't forget that. And thanks for your support. Again, this is Black Tiger Miner signing out. Peace out. And let's get back to the money. All right, guys. Until tomorrow.